This is the first look iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max hands-on video leaked. Last week leaks image of the entire iPhone 16 series showcasing the alleged size differences between the Pro and non-Pro models. The image shows out the iPhone 16 Pro Max featuring a 6.9-inch panel. iPhone 16 Pro offer a 6.3-inch display. The iPhone 16 Plus will offer the same 6.7-inch and iPhone 16 with its 6.1-inch screen size as its predecessor. The dummy models provide a clear look at the all-new capture button across all four models, which is expected to provide control photography and videography functions. They also show the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus's vertical rear camera array and action button, while the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max gained the action button last year. A new rumor today claims Apple will release the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max in new space black and rose colorways. The iPhone 16 series still has a long way to go, as it is expected to launch somewhere around October 2024 as per Apple's regular timelines. It will be interesting to see what Apple brings around new with its upcoming iPhones. I hope you guys like and enjoy it. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.